Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Welcome to chapter 4.1, Help Notes for Nahmad and Haywood, a New Arabic Grammar. In this chapter, or in this paragraph, Nahmad and Haywood begin to discuss a quite complex topic called case, or hal in Arabic. In order to understand case, I would like to enlist the help of these 6 shapes. So you have the straight shapes with straight edges. We have a hexagon here, square and a triangle, and we have the curved shapes, a circle, crescent and a semicircle. And in order to help us understand what is case, we're going to first participate in the Geometric Olympics, and we're going to see which of these shapes are the fastest down the hill. Well, as you'd guessed, if we looked at the first heat where all the straight-edged shapes compete against each other, the one that rolls fastest down the hill is the hexagon, and then in second place is the square, and in third place is the triangle. So here they are getting their medals. So in first place is the hexagon, in second place is the square, and in the third place is the triangle. So for first place we give a gold medal to the hexagon, and then a silver medal to the square, and a bronze medal to triangle. Now let's look at the other shapes that participated. The circle obviously rolled down fastest, and then the crescent, and the semicircle got stuck somewhere halfway down and then slowly slid down. Hence the first person in the first rank is the circle, second rank position is the crescent, and in the third position is the semicircle. But curved metals are slightly different to straight-edged metal shapes, and instead of getting a gold for first place, they prefer silver, which is a bit unusual, but then they are slightly unusual looking shapes. And for second place they get gold, and for third place they get bronze. So who came first? Can we tell by the medal? If it's a gold medal or a silver medal, can we tell who came first? And the answer is no, we can't. The medal itself doesn't tell us the rank. So gold doesn't always mean first, and silver doesn't always mean second. So first what we have to do is we have to combine the rank and then the shape, and then get to the medal. So if we have our straight edge shapes, we first ask that shape is in the first position, and then we see that it's a non-curved shape, and then we work out the medal it deserves is a gold medal. There's our gold medal. The same thing for second place, the square comes in the second place, and then we work out it's a non-curved shape, so the medal that they get is a silver medal. Likewise, third place, non-curved shape, bronze medal. With a forward gear, we can do the same thing with our curved shape. So the circle came first, but it's a curved shape, and curved shapes for their first place always get not gold but silver. Second place was the crescent, and that's a curved shape, and we know for curved shapes the second places is always gold. And the third place went to the semicircle, and it's a curved shape, and that curved shape matches straight edge shapes and gets a bronze medal. Okay, so the key take-home message here is that the medals depend on the rank and shape. So which medal you give to which shape depends on what position they get and the type of shape they are. So you don't always give gold to the first place. You have to work out, is it straight edged? Then they get gold. Or is it curved? In which case they get silver. Likewise, if they're in second place, if they are straight edged, they get silver, but if they're curved, they get gold. And if we had a mixed race, then you could imagine here you'd know who would win. It would be the circle, then probably the hexagon, and then in third place would be the triangle. So if the first place will go to the circle, and the circle will get a silver medal. Why? Because it's a curved shape, and curved shapes in first place get silver. The straight edge shape will get a silver medal as well, because straight-edged shapes in second place get silver, and the triangle get bronze. So let's reverse the process. If we knew the shape and the medal, can we work out the rank? And yes, we can. But the first thing we need to ask ourselves is, what is the shape we're dealing with? Is it a curved shape, like a circle, or is it a straight shape? So with a curved shape, we know that if it's silver, that's first place. Whereas if it's silver and it's a straight edge shape, a non-curved shape, then we know it's not first, but second. And the bronze is equal on both sides, so it doesn't really matter what the shape is. And that's third. So, how do we work out what the rank of these people are, or of the shapes are? And we see who passes the finish line first. So when the circle passes the finish line first, we put them in first rank. When the straight edge shape passes the finish line second place, we put them into second place. And the triangle comes up last. So, let's summarize what we have here. The position at the end of the race determines the rank. So the circle finished first, they're first. The hexagon finishes second, they're second. And the triangle finishes third, and they're third. Then we have to look at the type of shape we have. Are they curved shapes, or are they straight-edged shapes? And depending on the shape type, we work out the medals. So we go from position to rank, and then to working out from the shape, we work out the medal. So you might be asking, what has this got to do with Arabic? Well, if you tune into the next video, I'll put it all together, inshaAllah. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. And the final call, or the final speech, is to say, all praise and thanks belong to Allah, the Lord of the worlds.